Hello, Princess. Lalangan Lapos. Dami na nagbago, no? Ngayon, November 11 na. Ay, 11. November 14 na pala, 2025. And the first time we met was like December 6, 2026. Ay, 2024. Sorry. Lilimutin na. Dami nangyari. Actually, ayun, medyo nag-gym na ako for 3 months lang, mga 4 months lang. So, nag-stop na rin ako. Pakalba ako. Tapos, mahaba na rin buhok ko. Tsaka, ayan. Medyo nakakalimutan ko na yung old classmates ko na SHS 1. Na namimiss ko na rin. Hindi ko alam bakit. Oo. Basta yun. Nakita ko yung school, Angelicum. Lilibot-libot lang din ako. Nisip ko kasi, kung adventurous kid ka dati, baka, and then, since you've lived your whole life then sa Angelico, like, literally half of your life, I think. Grade 7. Sorry, stinak kita. Pero, ayun. Ayun nga, nakita ko rin sa FB na, dati pa yun, As in, like, hindi na kita stalk ngayon. Alala ko lang. And, I just see na your post was like, one of your family members or someone you're close with, I don't know, or tita-tita mo. So yun, calls you Bem Bem. Bem Bem. Hindi ko alam. And like, naalala ko yung mga times na chinachat pa rin kita kahit nasa ibang bahay ako. And I kinda miss you. Not gonna lie, I do indeed. I kinda missed you. I don't know why. We just talked for like 3 weeks. And then we stopped talking. And I kept looking at you. And I kept avoiding you. Kasi natatakot. Hindi ko alam bakit. Like, my instinct is to just not talk to you, not like stalk at you. Kasi you're so attractive. And I'm so insignificant. I feel so insignificant. And I feel like I haven't been the guy. I'm not the guy yet that you wanted. Ako ko. Naka-flash yung camera. Actually, phone ng mama ko to eh. Meron na akong meron na akong certified STEM sticker sa phone ko. And like, ayun, may nakita na akong babae na pangalan niya Shayna Celine B. Inocencio. She actually gave me this Shiloh, and then yeah, I named it Shiloh. We agreed on it na parang Shiloh pangalan niya. Ayun. And yeah, it's fun naman. I have many nice people, many nice classmates, even though na parang okay. I still feel lonely though. Medyo pangit na nga ako I think. Yeah. Ugali ko, medyo pangit din. Pero, I don't know. Actually, naglibot ako sa SMDC Tower 1. Then, hindi ko ma-open yung key kahapon. So, naglibot ako. Naglibot ako sa building. Pumunta ako 6th floor. Tapos, ayun. Naghawak-hawak ako ng plants and like, ng structure, ng sculptures, ng sphere, circular. Basta yun. Tas na ropes, and then like, nakita ko yung bamboo tree. Inisip ko nagka-climb ka dun as a kid. Somehow, some way. Even sa, alam mo yun, parang kahit sa sorry to change position ka, bakit pa rin naman ako eh. Pero, ayun, 18 na ako. Magna 19 na ako. Siguro nga 18 ka na ngayon eh. Hindi ko alam. But I'm making this video. I don't know what you're doing. Probably you're busy with your current boyfriend. Joke lang. Current boyfriend. Sige lang. You can have fun with your boyfriend right now and have fun being like a teenager. Stuff like that. Without me. Okay lang din naman. I'm also okay just being with myself. Ngayon kasi parang separated na yung mom ko tsaka dad. Ako. It's just a different story na when it comes to that. Bunso nga ako, ayun nga. I'm the only one left in the house. Kuya ko, ate ko. Nasa condo na.